some zip lines for Josh because he's always wanted to do that. She goes, "Oh, really?" And I said, "Yeah."
He lost his mind.
You'll find it.
Right there, Riley. You got it.
He's crazy. Listen to Jim.
Wow. A piece of it keeps you that entertained. There it is. Right there, baby.
Did he start fighting? Oh, he's got
He keeps dropping it. He gets mad. Right there.
Here. Right here.